Still building isolated pages in Notion? Let me ask you something real. Do your Notion pages feel like isolated islands? You've got tasks here, goals over there, maybe a content calendar floating in another workspace, and none of them talk to each other. It's like managing your life with sticky notes in different rooms. Here is the truth most Notion users miss. The real magic happens when your data is connected. And if you're not using linked databases and relations, you're not really using Notion. You're just decorating digital notebooks. Today, I'm going to show you how linking your databases can turn Notion from a fancy to-do list into a powerful command center for your business, your content, or your life. Let's dive in. The problem: fragmentations equals frustration. When your tasks live in one page, your goals in another, your notes scatter all over, you're not just disorganized, you're wasting your time, losing clarity, and making it harder to focus. Most people try to fix this by creating bigger dashboards, more pages, and fancier icons. But that just piles on more chaos, unless the pieces connected. And the solution: linked databases plus relations equals one source of truth. Let me show you how I connected my entire workflow using linked databases and relations, so that when I update something in one place, it automatically syncs everywhere else. Imagine this: you open your project page and instantly see every related task, deadline, meeting note, and goal all live and connected. You finish a task in your dashboard and it's instantly marked down on your calendar and your team's Kanban. You never wonder, where did I put that? Because everything flows together. This isn't a dream, it's Notion's real power, and I'll show you how to unlock it step by step. Step 1. Create your core databases. Let's start from scratch. I create 3 databases: projects, tasks, and notes. You can do this by typing /table and select table full page. Name your databases accordingly. Now, most people stop here and fill these in manually, but we're going to connect them. Step 2. Add relations, so your databases talk to each other. Go to the task database, click the plus to add a new property. Choose relation and link it to the project database. Name it project. Now, every task can be tied to a specific project. Select the task, click on the new project property, and assign it to the relevant project. Do the same in the notes database. Create a relation to project, so you can attach meeting notes, brainstorms, and research to the right project. Why does this matter? Because now every piece of your workflow is attached to the right context. And step 3, create linked views, so you can see what matters, where it matters. Now we bring it all together. Go to your project page, type /linked databases, and choose your task database. Apply a filter such as project equals current page. Boom! You now see only the tasks related to that project right inside the project page. Do the same with notes. Embed a linked view, filter by project equal current page, or whatever you want. Now you have a dynamic page dashboard where everything lives together. This is contextual productivity. You see only what matters when you need it. And step 4, build your LifeOS dashboard. Here is where I tie it together in my LifeOS. I create a homepage. Embed linked databases for today's task. Filter by due date equals today. Active projects, filter by status equals active. Latest notes, sort by last edited. This page becomes my mission control. I'm not searching for info. It's all connected and delivered where I need it. And here is a bonus. Use Rollups for instant insights. Want to level up? In your project database, add a Rollup property. Connect it to the task relation, then Rollup the done property to show how many tasks are completed. Now you've got live project progress bar. No extra work. This is where Notion becomes smart. It's tracking your work for you. And let me show you a real-life example. My content creation system. Let me show you how I use this daily. I have a content calendar database with videos, posts, articles. Each content piece is linked to tasks, so I know what needs to be done. Scripting, editing, posting. Each content piece is linked to projects like course launch or YouTube growth. I track all progress in my dashboard, and when I finish editing a video, the status updates everywhere. Calendar, projects, even weekly reviews. The system runs itself. I'm not chasing tasks. I'm creating content. Final reflection. Why this changes everything? Let's zoom out. Linking databases is more than a trick. It's a mindset shift. You stop thinking in silos and start thinking in systems. Your life isn't a scatter pages. It's one living ecosystem. And Notion lets you build it. Now, don't just watch. Build your first link system today. If you're serious about taking control of your life, business, or creative work, start linking your databases. And here is your challenge. Pick 3 areas: projects, tasks, and notes. Build those databases. Link them using relations. Create a linked view of your projects. Do it today, and you'll never work the same way again. And if you want to save time and get this whole system pre-built, check out my life planner, Second Brain, and Business Hub templates. Everything I showed you already built in, ready to plug and play. Links below. Let Notion work for you, not the other way around. Your digital life doesn't have to be chaotic. With linked databases, Notion becomes the brain behind your success. So, ready to build a smarter,